Hi, this is Deb from Amherstburg, Ontario, reviewing the Heritage Rock 12 by, oh, it's not going to turn out really nice. There we go. 12 by 15 skillet. First thing out of the box, I've already assembled this one. I didn't record it ahead of time. This is not attached, so you have to kind of finagle. It's kind of an awkward angle. Oops. Just to get it to go, I suggest having a second pair of hands. I had to borrow my son, who's pretty good with a screwdriver. These legs also come unattached, and the little pitons at the top would show you, but again, I need a hand. They come out, the little tips, and screwdrivers go in each one. Once it's assembled, yes, very, very, very steady, doesn't move. It's got a fairly decent depth to it. Again, yes, cooking surface is great. The very steady too, goes in nice and steady, turns on, red light comes on, goes off. The heating element seems to concentrate kind of around the outside. Oops, come out a little bit. What about the outside here? If you've got water or liquid in it, tends to kind of stay right there. It does heat all the way through, but it tends to kind of stick there. You can put 6 grilled cheese sandwiches on the Dasani bread, which is a little bit shorter maybe, but you probably could still use regular size bread. 6 at once for grilled cheese. I've done rice and shish kebabs in it. Easy clean, easy sponge, paper towel clean. I haven't had any sticking issues yet. So yeah, used it a few times, and yeah, I really, really like it. So far, so good. Yes, I would recommend this to family and friends. My only, if there was a con, would be that it is rather large and it won't fit in a normal, older, I guess, cupboard to store. So I've had to, I'm going to move you really, really fast here. Sorry. It basically sits on top of my fridge because I've got really nowhere else to put it. Even the drawers in my cabinet, and got the Instapot down there, and that's a fairly large contraption. So it won't fit in there unless I put it on its side, and awkward, and I'm afraid of this. I mean, it's sturdy, it's set, but yeah, if you have the space to put it, you could, in effect, cook an entire meal with this. It's got a little venting thing on there, and again, trial and error with anything, I suppose.